sometimes gets tired of your hands just holding everything and everyone together? That's probably every woman in here. Some of us are holding too tightly to control and things in our life where it actually leads us down a path that is destructive and not healthy for us. But the reality is we never had control. We just tried to control the outcome. And he goes, I need you to learn how to surrender so that I can be the one to actually lead you. So you can walk by peace and not by fear and anxiety. Surrender, in Afrikaans praat ons van oorgee, as ek myself oorgee aan iemand, nee? Okay, is actually a battle term. I told you we're an army here. It's a battle term, and it actually means to give up all rights to the conqueror. And he said, their burden is too heavy a yoke for you, but that is not my yoke. My yoke is actually the yoke that I carry. I already did the heavy loading. Your job is just to come in and submit under me. I will be the one leading, but you need to surrender and yield and come in under my lordship. So the thing is this, the Lord is saying to us, you have got no idea the plans, the purposes, the peace, the life that I want to release to you until you surrender and allow me to lead you there.